Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I'm a foundation level student at Rehan School at Campus Naval, and today I am sharing my movie review, my short documentary, and my topic is a remarkable invention that changed everyday life. Today we are going to explore some of the greatest invention of human history. Our documentary is called Remarkable Invention That Changed Everyday Life. Every day we use many inventions without thinking about how much they have changed our lives from the moment we wake up until we go to sleep. These inventions help us communicate, travel, learn, work, and stay healthy. Let's discover some of the inventions that have made the biggest difference in our everyday life. The wheel. Our journey begins with one of the oldest and most important invention, the wheel. The wheel was invented thousands of years ago and completely changed transportation. It made it easier to move people and goods from one place to another. Second is electricity. Another life-changing invention is electricity. Electricity powers our homes, schools, hospitals, factories, and business. It gives us light at night, keep our food fresh, and refrigerators charge our food, and follows us to use computer at the internet. The third one is the telephone, and the internet communication can also change dramatically. The invention of the telephone allowed people to speak with family and friends across long distance. Later, the internet connected the entire world. The fourth one is medical invention. Medical invention have saved millions of lives. Vaccines protect people from dangerous diseases. Modern medical equipment helps doctors detect illness early and provide better treatment. Computer and smartphones have become an important part of everyday life. We use them for education, business, entertainment, communication and creativity. Artificial intelligence today one of the newest invention changing our lives in artificial intelligence or AI. AI help doctor diagnose diseases, support student in learning, improve customer services, translates language and assist people in many daily tasks. So next one is however, it is important to use this technology responsibly and ethically. Every great invention began with a simple idea from the wheel of electricity, from the telephone to the internet, and from computer to artificial intelligence. These remarkable inventions have changed the way we live, work, and communicate. They remind us that human creativity and curiosity can solve problems and create a better future. Who knows, the next invention that changed the world might come from someone watching this documentary today. Thank you so much for watching my short documentary. Hope you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.